What's good, all my SGMS, all my still getting money people out there? And before you watch this video, become part of SGM family by subscribing, like, share, and comment, and hit that bell button below so you be notified first. And shout out to the SGM notification gang. I see you holding me down in the comments. Gang gang. And before you watch this video, go to the link in the description below. Follow me on all my social media so we can stay connected. You know what I'm saying? Like I always tell you in every video, you just never know what might happen with all these, platforms be acting all crazy. But anyways, let's get into this video. This video is about an app called eBay, which I'm gonna show you right here. As you can see, I got a check right here. It's not a big check. It's not about the amount either, because I'm always using other apps to do cashback. There's newer apps that I've been using, so I haven't used this app in a little while, but I recently purchased something. You know what I'm saying? I usually don't document all my payments, but like I said, I pay bills. You know what I'm saying? I like shopping and doing certain things, so once I get a check, I just go to the bank, cash in, I go do what I gotta do. You know what I'm saying? But you know what I'm saying, this is a small check. I didn't even know they was gonna send me this because being it was so small, but they did. So I said, fine, let me show you some proof. This is a cashback check, right? So it's only $6, right? You know what I'm saying? It's for they dated it on the 11th of May or whatever. It's only $6. You can't look at the amount because, like I said, I just purchased something real quick and that was it. You know what I'm saying? For example, I'm gonna give you a perfect example. So let's get into the let me cover this real quick. Let me go into let's go into the app. Come on. Let me go into this. Hold on. Let me log into my phone since it would be acting a donkey right now. All right, we're gonna go into eBay real quick. Like I said, there's a lot of ways where you can earn, but when you shopping, you also want to get some money back. You know what I'm saying? I got large, I done got large amounts of money just for shopping and getting some money back for some of my items. So I'm gonna give you a prime example. Like I said, let's say you go to Amazon, just shop now, whatever. It's gonna go over to Amazon. You know what I mean? And most likely you probably have the app and be logged in, and it's just gonna transfer over. As you see, it's loading right there. All right, it's loaded. So I'm gonna give you the example. Let's just say your orders. I'm gonna show you my orders. These actually came in today, delivered today, which is a bumper because, like I said, I just paid $3,000 to get my car painted. So I gotta protect this. So these two items just came, as you can see right here. I'm saying they go to one right there, the other one's the box right here. I don't want to show you the other side, it doesn't really matter because I don't want to show my address, but these are the two items I just got, as you can see, delivered today, and you can see that I just showed you the items. You know what I'm saying? So let me go back. Here. So you can, like I said, go here. Like I said, I usually be on Amazon and eBay because I be ordering a lot of stuff for my car or just stuff for me, period. So you could go like either scroll or you can just go to search. But like I said, there's other ways where you can earn, but definitely, you know what I'm saying, if you're gonna shop online, use the cashback apps, or like I said, you can sign into one of these accounts on the computer and get cash back. Like I said, I done got wild cash back, you know what I'm saying, for me shopping, which is a great thing. On top of that, getting from the app also, which I'm gonna show you right now. As you can see, earn 25. Every referral, there's no limit, right? When your friend joins and spends at least $25, you'll get 25. So imagine the killing you can make. Let me give you a prime example. So let's go back to the Amazon, right? Remember, I just got these purchases, right? I'm gonna show you a perfect example right now. So I'm gonna make believe I signed up under you when this loads up real quick. All right, it's loading, and all right, let's go back to the orders. All right, so I ordered these just got here today, right? So let me just go into this one, right? So delivered today, yada yada yada. Let me go into here. All right, so I signed up under your link, right? And they said for every $25 the person spends under eBay, that means when I go into your link and I make an account under eBay, right? I gotta go into my eBay, right? Go to whatever website I'm gonna use and then make the payment from there. You know what I'm saying? Cause it's gonna transfer you over. So I just spent $40 on this. So guess who gets 25? You do, right? So the same thing with the other purchase I just showed you. The other purchase was I got 4 of them, so that came out to 120. So either way, you're gonna get your 125. I mean 125. You was gonna get your $25. Let me go right back into it. So you already made your 25 right there. So imagine for each person that do that, most of the things that people buy are over $25 on Amazon. You know what I'm saying? The link will be in the description below, as you can see right there. Like I said, you can share it on Facebook, you can share it through text or email. That's a quick killing right there. Like I said, all the person got to do when they sign up on their link, go to eBay, they go to search, go to the store they're gonna go to, spend over $25, which the most likely they would. Even if they spent $20, probably with the tax or shipping, if the shipping ain't free, most likely you're gonna spend over $25. So there you go, and you're gonna get paid $25. You know what I'm saying? I think also, then the other person gets paid $10. From what I remember, it's been a hot minute. Like I said, there's a lot, there's some people that's been, I don't want to show their names right there. This is how, look, it shows you how it works right here. Share your link with your friends, remind them to sign up to eBay, you know what I'm saying, and shop on eBay, right? Look, you both get paid when they spend $25. Like I said, I remember that's been a hot minute, like I said. So when you sign up, let's say I sign up under your link, right? Then I go into my eBay account and I make a purchase over $25. You're gonna get paid $25 and I'm gonna get paid. I don't know if it went up from the last. Remember, I'll get paid 10. It might be 25. I don't know. I don't remember. Like I say, look into the details, but I'm just showing you the killing that you can make on this app. You know what I'm saying? It's that simple. You know what I'm saying? It don't take a rocket science to do certain things. Like I said, as you can see, you seen the check. The check is right here. Even though it's a small check, it's a check. There's some things that I'm purchasing right now. I kid you not. I don't want to go into the eBay and show you all that stuff. I just want you to get to the point. You know what I'm saying? That are $5, $10, $25, $20. Like I said, I'm getting a bunch of these $10, $20 checks. Guess what? I don't have to spend my money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, being of the fact that I haven't used eBay in a minute, I'm not even gonna lie to you. I'm using another cashback app right now. You know what I'm saying? But I decided to come back. That's why they sent me the check. I used it, I forgot I used it a couple days ago, but I ordered also something else. And that's why they sent me the check. I guess the threshold, I think it's 5 and up. I'm not sure. You know what I'm saying? But you have to look into the details. But let me get into anything else. See, I didn't miss anything else. Like I said, you can look into it. I don't know what's the threshold, but I'm assuming it's 5 because they sent me a small check. You know what I mean? But anyways, like I said, the link will be in the description below. So like I said, definitely, you know what I'm saying, you don't have to leave the video. I mean, you don't have to go anywhere else. Go to the link in the description, click it, like whether you're an Android user or an Apple user. You know what I'm saying? Sign up and you can come right back to the video, check out some other videos, some other cash options. But as you can see, this is like a payment proof for cash back. So you can just see, even if they gave me a penny, the point is the company pays out, they even pay out small amounts, as you can see. And I'm surprised because usually I be getting large amounts because I shop a lot. You know what I'm saying? So definitely you're gonna get your cash back when you shop. And also, like I said, you can make a killing. Spending $25 ain't a lot. You know what I'm saying? On purchases, I'm pretty sure a lot of y'all, whether you got a lot of money or not, spend 25. Like I said, go to your eBay app. Once you sign up under the link, go to your eBay app. Go to whatever website you're gonna spend on. You search it, and it shows you how much percentage you're gonna get back. Like I just showed you right there. And all you gotta do is, like I said, purchase it, and that's it. But you gotta go through the eBay app. You can't just go direct to the app because it's not gonna know that. But it connects you through the eBay app. You're gonna make a killing right now. Like I said, you spam it all over your social media. You know what I'm saying? Text it to your friends. You know what I'm saying? Everybody, the people that you know that be shopping in the sneaker store websites or wherever they shop. You know what I'm saying? Send it to them. Like I said, you can make a quick killing and shit. You know what I mean? Excuse my language. But anyways, like I said, the links will be in the description below. All my social media links, Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, and Twitter. Sorry, I've been lost on social media. I'm sorry. Like I said, I'm doing so much stuff right now with so many people. I'm actually trying to work on my own app. You know what I'm saying? That's one of the reasons I really haven't been posting. I ain't gonna put it out there. I've been doing other stuff on other channels, and also, like I said, working on people on MCA. And also, like I said, working on my own app. Things take time, and plus my clothing line. Things take time, man. I'm only one person. You know what I'm saying? I'm a person is a perfectionist when it comes down to my craft. Sometimes I kill myself doing certain things, but it'll pay off. I hope all y'all been grinding. Sorry, I've been talking y'all to death. Y'all already know what to do. This is the SgmCashoutKing signing out. And before you go, PS, as you can see, it is May 22nd, so this video will go up in the same day. But like I said, after I ended the video, I decided I wanted to purchase some things for my car. Like I said, I don't, like I said, I don't post every cash out or every gift card that I get, like I said, because sometimes I'll be doing things on the fly. Like I said, I don't got time to be doing a video on it, because sometimes I'll be needing the stuff. So like I said, being of the fact I just did the video on eBay, I said let me show you a prime example, because I'm about to order something real quick anyway. So let me show you right now. Let's go to Amazon real quick. Even though I know I ended the video, but like I said, I didn't know I was gonna purchase something until afterwards. Like I said, let me show you, because I got one of the gift card stuff I went through. Look right here, now my balance is $127 for gift cards right there. So being of the fact it was an eBay video, let me go back. See, if I purchase it right now on Amazon, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna get the cash back, and whoever I went under link is not gonna get the $25, and I'm not gonna get the 25. So what I do, this is what you're gonna do also after you sign up under the link. Like I said, let me go here, go to eBates, right? Like I told you in the video. Like I said, I'm gonna go to search right here, go to Amazon, up to 5% cash back. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna go on Amazon. I already have one thing, I think I have both of them in the cart already. It's gonna load up right here. So all I gotta do is go to my cart. You know what I'm saying? One of them is $111. Other one I believe is 20, some lights for my car, and then another one is a license plate that comes out. You know what I'm saying? So I need that for my car right now. So this is me showing you how to get free stuff. Like I said, you gotta keep grinding. Just because I don't post a video doesn't mean I'm not grinding. And like I said, I don't post every cash out, every gift card that I get. Like I said, y'all been watching me for a while. Y'all get the point. But look at the balance right there. You know what I'm saying? $131. This is $20. This is $111. So like I said, let me go to proceed checkout. Let me put it right here. Proceed checkout. It's loading up. I want my address to show up on here. See, my address is on here, but look at the order right here. Look. So after that, they deducted from the gift card. They deducted 127. Now my order total is $21.42. That's probably all the taxes. Look, the taxes and the shipping. So the shipping is $7.41, and the estimated taxes is $10.19. See the gift card right there? Look, $127 deducted. So only thing I'm coming out of my pocket right now is $21.42 for something that's worth $131. Like I said, that if you don't like that, I don't know what you like. So I gotta go to my card to put the right card in. Hold on one second. So let me scroll down. I'm gonna go off the camera right here because my address is there. So let me put the right card. You know what I'm saying? So when they take out the rest of the money that I gotta pay, you know what I'm saying? All right. So I did that. So that's I'm selecting right here the payment method. I had to switch it up, and my address is on. If people that got Amazon, y'all already know what it is. Like I said, I'm about to place the order. Let me go around right here so you don't see my address or whatever. As you can see, one more time right here, the total is going to be $21.42. As you can see right there, the gift card they took out $127.19. So only thing I'm really paying for is the $7.41 shipping and handling, and the tax, which is $10.19. That's all I'm paying for. You know what I'm saying? I basically got this for free. But let me go right here, place your order. As you see, it's loading. Done. Like I said, look right there. Thank you for placing your order. I can't go down because my address is right there. Like I said, estimated deliveries on the 29th. But I'm gonna go to my email. I know they sent me an email. Like I said, if I go down, they're gonna show my address. The email probably gonna show my address as well. But I'm gonna try to see if it don't. I'm gonna wait for that email to pop up real quick right there. Since I just made the purchase, they'll go right there. See, I open it up. This one has my address as well, so I'm gonna go around it right here. I'm gonna try to zoom in right here. Go right here. Go a little higher right here. So that was my total. You know what I'm saying? After the gift card. Like I said, my address is right up there. I'm gonna cover it with this. You think I'm, I'm BSing. Same thing, ship to. I know my government name, ship to Jonathan Perez. So, don't ever call me that if you ever see me in person. I don't like that name. I like my last name, but I don't like my first name like that. I'm not a junior or nothing, but I'm just showing you. Like I said, anyways, like I said, look, it's there. I should be getting that in a couple days, a week. So there you go. Like I said, man, I meant to put I wish I would have put that in the beginning of the video. But like I said, I didn't know I was gonna make an order. I happened to look on there, and one of my gift cards that I cashed out came through, so I said, let me make this order because I really need that. But anyways, I'm really out this time, so you already know what to do. Everything, link in the description below. Follow me on all social medias. Peace. But don't forget to subscribe, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam, become part of the SGM fam.
Yeah, I'm in this bitch.